Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And before we dive into the how-to, I just want to quickly talk about HeyTea because very likely a lot of you guys probably never tried it in North America, and it's one of the giant competitor of Starbucks in China right now. And for someone who doesn't even like sugar drinks, I also fell in love with their innovative drinks. So what is this buzz about? People are lining hours and hours outside of their store, and it got so crazy at one point in Guangzhou that they had to actually close down their physical stores and only take on online orders. Anyway, so my sister sent me this clip a couple days ago, and I had this huge craving of their drink. Reminded me of my first drink in Shenzhen. It was so phenomenal. So I'm inspired to copycat this and teach you guys how to make this 2-ingredient mocha topped with this COPYCAT cream cheese foam. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Okay, first let's make some salted cream cheese foam. In a double boiler, add some cream cheese, sea salt, condensed milk. Mix well. Then add a tablespoon of milk. Mix well. Remove from the heat, and then in a separate cup or bowl, add your whipping cream. Add the cream cheese mixture. Then using a handheld milk frother or an electric mixer, whisk it until it's frothy and a little thick, like this kind of consistency. In your cup, we're going to decorate it with melted chocolate or chocolate syrup. Add some chocolate or coffee ice cube. Then add some chocolate milk. Please use quality milk here, like Avalon chocolate milk. Then add some coffee concentrate. I just added about 2 teaspoons here just because I don't really like coffee, but you can add more if you like. Then add your cream cheese foam that we made earlier. Then dust with cocoa powder. And finally decorate it with grated chocolate. And that's it for today. We can now at least make our own cream cheese foam with anything before HeyTea comes to North America. And once again, thank you Javy for the great product. If you want more videos like this, let me know what you want to learn in the next video, or what recipe you'd like me to test out for you by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching! Love you guys!